In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a voting button FA option to Outlook emails. Start by opening the Outlook desktop app. This feature is designed for the desktop version, so make sure you are not in the web or mobile app. Once Outlook is open, click New Email to start a fresh message. And type out the content you want your recipients to see. It's helpful to keep the body clear and concise, especially if you are asking for a quick decision or simple feedback. Because your options will appear as buttons in the message header when people receive it. Next, go to the Options tab in the ribbon at the top of the Compose window. This is where Outlook keeps message settings that go beyond basic formatting. In the Options tab, look for the tracking group, then click Use Voting Buttons. This menu gives you a few ready-made choices, which are great when you need a fast setup. Approve, Reject is ideal for sign-offs. Yes, No keeps things straightforward, and Yes, No maybe gives recipients a middle ground if they're not ready to commit. If those don't fit your scenario, choose Custom. In the Properties window that opens, make sure the Use Voting Buttons box is checked. Then type your own options separated by semicolons. For example, Option A, Option C. The semicolon is important because it tells Outlook where one choice ends and the next begins. Keep each option short and distinct so people can pick quickly without confusion. You can include spaces and punctuation within each option. Just remember the semicolon is the separator. When your message looks good and your voting options are set, click Send. Outlook will confirm this by showing a note on the message saying, "You have added voting buttons to this message." Your recipients will see the buttons at the top of the email and they can simply click to respond. This works best within organizations that use Outlook or compatible mail clients. If someone opens the message in a client that doesn't support voting buttons, they may not see the clickable options. But they can still reply the traditional way. That's it. You've added voting buttons to your Outlook email, making it faster and easier to collect structured responses. Thanks for watching.